Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you a very interesting vegetarian recipe, totally rich and restaurant style recipe of a paneer, that is Reshmi Paneer. This is so rich, delicious and mouth-watering that it's going to wow your gaze. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. So now let's start making Reshmi Paneer. For that, first in a kadai, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Let it get nice and hot. So when it's nice and hot, I'm going to add onion. Here I have taken 1 medium-sized onion and sliced it. And over high flame I'm going to cook them for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes you can see they are quite translucent, and now I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to fry them for another minute so that the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. So after 1 minute I'm going to add green bell pepper or capsicum, which are sliced as well. I have added half of it, half of a big capsicum. Now I'm going to fry it for a minute over high flame as well. We don't want to lose their crunch, so don't take much time. Next, after a minute we are back. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Here I have taken 1 large tomato, de-seeded them and cut them into slices. And over high flame I'm going to cook them for a minute because we don't want to get the tomatoes mushy. So after a minute they are done. So I'm going to take it out on a plate. Make sure you don't overcook the veggies. We need to have the crunch in them. So it's done. Now I'm going to start the gravy. For that, here I have added 2 tablespoons of butter over low flame so that the butter doesn't burn. So over low flame. Now I'm going to add some masalas. First goes half a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. Then to that, dry masalas. First goes 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then goes 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can decrease or increase the amount according to your taste. Next goes half a teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. And over very low flame, fry them for 15 seconds or till they're aromatic. Don't burn the masala. Be careful about it. So within 15 seconds they are done, nice and aromatic. So here I'm going to add 1 cup of tomato puree. It's homemade. I've just cut 1 large tomato and make paste into the mixer grinder. So over medium flame I'm going to cook them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can see that tomato has quite cooked through. So at this stage I'm going to add cashew nut paste. Here I have taken 10 cashew nuts and soak them into hot water and make a paste out of it. So mix them thoroughly. Now I'm going to add salt according to taste and half a teaspoon of sugar to cut the tartness of the tomatoes. Now I'm going to cook them for another 5 minutes over medium flame so that the raw smell of cashew nut goes away. So after 5 minutes we're back, and as you can see they have started to release oil. That means they're done. Now at this stage I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water and mix it. Then I'm going to add the fried vegetables and mix as well. And I'm doing it over low flame. Next goes 100 grams of paneer or cottage cheese, which I have cut into big slices as well. No need to fry the paneer. At this stage, I think I'm going to add just a little bit of water. So I've added water and let it simmer for a minute over high flame. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and to make it more richer, fresh cream, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, which will make it silky or reshmi as it's called. Now lastly, finish it off with some fresh coriander. I'm using 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander chopped. Now light-handedly mix it so that you don't break the cottage cheese or paneer. They're very soft. And it's done. I'm going to set it for a minute, and after a minute we are back. It has soaked all the flavor inside it and it's done. Now, doesn't it look so delicious? Trust me, it is actually restaurant style, rich, creamy vegetarian dish which can be served with naan, roti, puri, paratha or anything. Do make this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and share as well. Thank you.